Video, I want to introduce a new version of RSI that performs much better than the original one. At this point in time, you probably already know that the RSI indicator is that tool that you use when you want to spot overbought and oversold conditions in the market. But what you probably didn't know is that there are other versions of the RSI indicator that are far better than the traditional RSI. In this video, I'm going to show you one of those RSI alternative indicators as well as a trading strategy that you can use using that tool. Let's get into it. To add an indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search Lega RSI. This one, which is an editor's picks indicator, and it's written by someone named Cryptogiant if I'm pronouncing the name correctly. We also add the original RSI, this one, so we can have a comparison between them. Alright, this is the Lega RSI and this is the original RSI that you're probably familiar with. This new version of RSI is based on Lega filter, which was introduced by John Ehlers, and this layer filter removes the noise of the RSI. If you look at them, you can clearly see that this Lega RSI has considerably lower noise in compared to the original RSI. If you have worked with RSI, so you know that these noises are really distracting and misleading and can cause traders to make wrong decisions. In this original RSI, when the RSI line reaches or goes below 30, it shows oversold and probability of turning of the price to uptrend is high. And when it reaches or goes above 70, it shows overbought, and so the probability of turning the price to a downtrend is high. But if you work with RSI, you will know that many of the times they just show a pullback. For example, during this uptrend, you can see how many times the RSI line reached to overbought level, but the price just continued in uptrend. Similarly here for this downtrend, you can see after all these oversold readings, we had just a pullback until here. This one was a true signal on the reversal point of the market, as you can see, but with this new version of RSI, it interpreted differently. When the indicator runs flat above 80, it tells us that the uptrend or advancing of the price is strong. Exactly in this period where it's moving flat above 80 and telling us that the uptrend or advancing of the prices is strong. Just look at this RSI and see how much noise we have and how many times it's reached to overbought level. Yet after these overbought readings, the price declined a little, but only a pullback or pause. Within this advancing of the price, and you can see the price continued in uptrend. You can clearly see that this Lega RSI is better helping us about the market situation, because from here up to here it's telling us that the uptrend is strong. We have similar situation in downtrends. When Lega RSI was flat below 20 level, it means the downtrend or declining of the price is strong. You can clearly see that in periods that it's moving below 20 levels. If we look at the RSI in the same periods, we can see that we have lots of noises, lots of ups and downs that are giving wrong impression. So with this Lega, when it's moving flat above 80 level, it means the uptrend or advancing of the price as a strong, and on the other hand, when it's moving flat below the 20 level, it means the downtrend or declining of the prices is strong. And similar to the original RSI, when Lega RSI crosses above 20 level, it means a buy signal, and when it crosses below the 80 level, it's a sell signal. But buying and selling signals must be taken based on the current direction of the market. For example, in this part of the chart, since the market is in a downtrend, we only take these selling signals where Lega RSI crosses below 80 level. We don't take these buying signals because they only show pullbacks. You can see all these short position signals are profitable, and we didn't have any false signal around here. At the reversal point of the market, and in this part, since the market is in an uptrend, we only take buying signals where Lega RSI crosses above the 20 level. In this situation, we don't take selling signals because they just show pullbacks depending on the trading strategy and other indicators you use or volatility of the asset you are trading. You can increase or decrease the alpha, so the lag and smoothness of layer RSI will be increased or decreased. This new version of RSI, which is based on layer filter to avoid the noise of the original RSI, is a perfect tool that you can use in your trading strategies. The important point is that, like any other tools in technical analysis, you should never take your trading decisions only based on this indicator, and you must use it in conjunction with other tools and aspects of technical analysis. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos.